Gotta find him. There. Am I on? Come on.
Yeah, Kathleen, if you came off with your long legs, nobody else would have had a chance.
Go, Aaron! Woo, Aaron! Is Aaron in the... He's in PA.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks way worse from that angle. Yeah. I mean, we saw it from, well, we were over there.
Yeah.
And wow.
Yeah, it was pretty bad.
Yeah, Kathleen, that was...
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like he just lost his
He just lost his
brain. Yeah.
Lucky he didn't sit on you.
Yeah.
I know, I thought he was.
Yeah.
He was like right over me and I looked up.
Yeah, like if you look at the video, he's practically sitting like vertically.
Yeah.
At one point.